I'm Joe. Let's make money. Let's make money by learning a great way to get income by writing puts. So we're talking about selling options here. What we're really doing is, if you've never been an insurance agent, well, you are one now if you sell a put. You are selling insurance. Let's say someone has a big position in Arch Coal and they're afraid it's going to sell off and they'll lose all their money. What they might do is buy a put. A put is a right to sell stock at a certain price. So if Arch is trading, let's say around $7, someone doesn't want to sell their stock, they want to hold on to it for the long haul, but right here they're scared and they're afraid it's going to get cut in half, go down to $3 or $4. They might buy a put, a $7 put, a put with a $7 strike price. Now they have the right to sell Arch Coal at $7. If Arch goes down to $3, they're okay. They bought insurance, they bought a put. So what I'm advocating in my last video when I said if we sell a put on Arch Coal, we're selling someone else insurance. The coal stocks have gotten slammed, been very volatile, mostly down in the last year. They've gotten destroyed, and people that are even people that are bullish on coal and own the stocks will buy insurance because what if it keeps going down? And so what we're saying with Romney being in this election, and it's a horse race now, probably the bears are not going to short these coal stocks and drive them down further here because they're going to be scared to, because if Romney wins or if people think Romney's going to win, people are going to buy those coal stocks and drive them up like they did on Thursday, the day after the debate. So I'm saying, let's sell a put. Let's sell insurance to people on these coal stocks because we don't think they can go down as long as Romney's in this election. There's puts that expire on October 20th. So if you sell a put that expires on October 20th, as long as Romney is still in this election, if we're right about this, those coal stocks are not going to sell off. You're going to get paid for the insurance you sold, and it's going to expire, and you're going to have made some money. And so that's the beauty of it. We want to sell puts is like selling insurance as long as what you sell doesn't go down. So, and now that's the risk you take, because when you have sold a put, you're on the hook. Just like if you bought the common stock. If that common stock gets slammed, you've lost some money. If you've sold a put and that stock gets slammed, you've lost the same amount of money. As if you had the common stock, only you're better off because you got paid that premium from the insurance you sold. So you still have the downside and you don't have the upside. If Arch Coal goes to $20 and you sold a $7 put, you get, the best you can do is $7. And that option is going to expire worthless, like most options do. That option is going to expire worthless because who's going to sell Arch Coal for $7 when it's trading at $20? So when you sell a put, the best thing that can happen is that it goes above your strike price and it's worthless, and whoever bought your put can't use it. And so we are cutting off our upside. So if Arch Coal goes to $20, and you get stopped out at wherever you sold your put. So it's a way to get bullish on a stock, and the beauty of it is if the stock doesn't go anywhere, if it stays where it is, you get paid. And that's what we're saying here. If Romney stays in this election, that might not be enough to drive these coal stocks higher because maybe he won't win. But as long as he's in this election, those stocks probably can't get slammed, and they're priced as if they can. 3.5% over 2 or 3 weeks, over 15 days. That's a lot of money, especially in this market where fixed interest, fixed payments, fixed income is very hard to come by with the zero interest rate or near zero interest rate. So so that's a high premium, 3.5% over 2 weeks. That's priced as if these coal stocks are very, very scary. But we're saying, you know what? They're not that scary. And so let's sell that insurance and get that big premium and make that money in 2 weeks. Let's make money. I'm Joe. Please take everything we say on this show as a suggestion for further research. Please do your own due diligence and not as a recommendation to buy or sell anything. I'm Joe, and I will see you Monday.